Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel freelance work. First, you need to honestly assess your current Excel skills. Think about what you're truly good at, whether it's complex formulas, data visualization, or perhaps even VBA automation. Identifying your niche, like financial modeling or pivot table mastery, will help you target specific clients. Consider pursuing a certification to formally demonstrate your proficiency, which can significantly boost your credibility and attract more opportunities. Next, build a strong portfolio that truly highlights your capabilities. This isn't just a list of skills, it's a collection of your best work. Include projects demonstrating data cleaning, advanced formulas, and perhaps even some impressive dashboards. Show how you've solved real-world problems for clients, even if they are hypothetical examples you created. A well-structured portfolio, perhaps with 5 to 7 strong examples, is your best marketing tool. Now it's time to find the work. Explore popular freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Create a professional profile that clearly outlines your Excel expertise and services. Use relevant keywords so clients can easily find you. Don't just wait for opportunities. Actively search for projects that match your skills. When you find a suitable project, submit a customized proposal that addresses the client's specific needs, rather than a generic template. Finally, focus on networking and growing your client base. Connect with other professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and participate in online forums related to data and business. Satisfied clients are your best advocates, so always aim for excellent service and ask for referrals. Consider offering a small discount for repeat business or successful referrals. Continuously learn new Excel features and techniques to stay competitive and offer even more valuable services over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.